For the last 35 years, NRC have been providing comprehensive services, spares and repairs for customers all over the UK. We realise it is important that downtime on critical emergency systems is kept to a minimum, and therefore we stock all of the parts in order to provide a fast service. We have a backup of DigiX products and accessories in stock for urgent events, and we can deploy spare emergency equipment at a moment's notice. It is of extreme importance that our customers can rely on us to get their equipment fixed as soon as possible, and our team will service, repair and dispatch your radios all within the same day. For more information, get in touch today. Visit our website at www.nrcradio.co.uk or call our team on 0151 263 9993.